RedShark IBC 2023 coverage is sponsored by.
Hi, welcome to the Sound Devices booth. I'm Gary Trenda. I'm going to give you a walkthrough of some of the Sound Devices products that we're showing at IBC 2023. So we'll start at the table here. We're showing our 8 series mixer recorders with some of the different wireless options that we've got. This is an 833 mixer recorder. It's got an SL2 slot mount chassis on top of it, where you can mount our A20 receivers or any super slot compatible receiver. Next to that is our new A20TX. This is recently announced and we're showing it for the first time at IBC. We've also got an 888 series mixer recorder, and this is the new Nexus Go. This is also a new product for Sound Devices that's being shown at IBC. And we've got an iPad here showing you the remote control software that goes along with these 8 series mixer recorders. That's called SD Remote. We've also got a small sound cart set up over here. So on the sound cart, we've got the Scorpio, which is the flagship of our 8 series mixer recorders. Along with the Scorpio, there's a CL16 control surface down on the bottom here, which provides remote control full 100 millimeter faders for the Scorpio. And then we've got a Nexus receiver here, along with some more A20 transmitters. And then in our charging station, we've got the A20 mini transmitters. So it's the 2 different transmitters that go with our Astral series of wireless. We're showing the web interface here for the Nexus as well. So that's a brief overview of the Sound Devices wireless products at the booth. So talking a little bit more about the wireless products, the A20 transmitter is a brand new transmitter for us. Full-size transmitter. It takes 3 AA size batteries, and it can be controlled from the Nexus receiver. So for example, I can easily turn all of my transmitters on from the remote control on the either the web interface or right on the front panel of the A20 Nexus. Some highlights about this transmitter: spectrum band tuning range. So it goes from 169 megahertz to 1525 megahertz. So that's over 1.5 gig. The spectrum band tuning allows you to just set the country, use the same transmitter and the same receiver anywhere in the world. We're also highlighting gain forward, which is high dynamic range mic input. It's 140 dB of dynamic range. There's no need to adjust the gain at the transmitter. It sends that entire audio signal through to the receiver and then through to your mixer recorder. The input on the A20TX supports not only a traditional lav mic with the SLIMO connector, but with an adapter. You can plug balanced audio into it. You can provide 12 or 48 volt phantom power. You can also take an AES digital signal, either AES3 or AES42. There's an internal recording capability. If you're using an AES input, you can record both channels and select which channel gets sent on the wireless link. The frequency range for the A20 Mini is a similar broad range. This goes from 470 to 1525. And again, both of these products are compatible with the Nexus receiver. So showing you the auto assign function, how you would select frequencies with the system very easily. You can do this on the front panel or on the web interface. I'll show you on the web interface. You perform a scan, you look at your RF spectrum. You can actually zoom out to see the entire spectrum band tuning range of 169 megahertz up to 1525. It'll take a couple seconds. It'll draw the RF spectrum across on your real-time spectrum analyzer display. And then you can select whatever clean frequencies you want to try to operate in. In this case, I'm going to select something in the TV band. So this is UHF TV band. You can see there's 1 TV channel in here. I hit auto assign. I can help out my auto assign by telling it to avoid this TV channel. It would automatically avoid it because of the level as well. If I press assign, it's going to scan this spectrum and it's going to assign 4 new frequencies to the 4 connected transmitters. And you'll see the 4 connected transmitters turn on at their new assigned frequencies.